Hello viewers, today I got something special. I'm here at the auction site. We actually bought a camping trailer. So it's a pop-up, and it came from right back there, and we gotta go pick it up and we're gonna take it home. We're gonna see how damaged it is, how dirty it is. A lot of these auction vehicles are pretty nasty. We just pulled it out of the lot. I mean, it's not horrible, but it is dirty. It needs to be really cleaned up. It's a pretty little size. It's a little size. Anyways, we got some cleaning to do. None of the brake lights work. We already tested them. The brake lights don't work. And there's no battery. So we got no battery with this. We got an empty propane tank, a lot of cobwebs. So we're gonna have to take this home the way it is. Yeah. With the switch here, we'll have to buy one of those. So this, and then this guy, like, there's no spare.
A lot of dents on the top.
Yeah, it looked like
what caused it.
Possibly a child went haywire on this thing.
There's a lot of dents in the front too.
I'm gonna have to seal up all this whole thing will have to be sealed.
There's no spare, so we'll have to get one.
No spare. I'm gonna have to lubricate that. The tail lights work, just not the brake lights or the signals. So I'm gonna be working on that one. You can see this light. The wheels look pretty good. They don't look like they're cracked. They look pretty good. This is the refrigerator. This is the heater, the water, and this light's missing. I'll have to get another one of those. All right, what do you say? We take this back home, or we leave it?
Yeah, no, let's take it.
All right.
See what we can do.
Well, we finally got this trailer home, and it trailed very nicely, which was good. Even though it didn't have a spare tire, it was kind of nerve-wracking, but the tires were true. It trailed very nicely right behind the car. We did notice that this was stored outside under some kind of tree. It looks like a tree was right here, and they stored a bunch of stuff on top. We got all these little scrapes and dents and rust areas, and this is aluminum, so there's no way that this is gonna rust. So we're gonna open this up, and we're gonna see what the interior looks like. Oh my God, look what's inside this trailer. It kind of towed a little bit heavy, but I mean, we got these, which is okay. These are fine. I don't really need those.
You know, we didn't have a spare tire.
Didn't have a spare tire.
We found all these things in the trailer.
Yeah. We don't have one spare, we have three. And now I gotta choose which one I want. Okay, so we got the crank, and we're gonna start cranking this puppy up. I think that's about it on this side.
Really?
All right, she's opening up this side here.
I have to get on it.
Now this side didn't come with a bar. I don't know if it needs a bar. Does it need a bar, Terry?
It does look like it should have one. There's
okay,
a hole
so
right there. It does look
the bar
like
might be down here in one of these, but it does have a table.
It has the bar holder right here.
Okay.
So we are missing a bar.
So 3-burner stove.
Oh wait, no, that's not the one.
The sink with the old pump, which I don't know if it works or not. Might have to do another one. And then we got this up, which we can put the bar up on this because it's right here. And look at this damage here. I'm gonna have to glue that closed. I'm gonna have to glue this down. All this needs to be redone.
Does this bar go on this side? Or
done.
does this bar go on the other side?
And then you can see there's this is the stuff we found. Found a hose. We found a little rivet gun, some lights, more lights, the books, tire gauge, more lights, a whole box of these 15 amp fuses, a brand new light. So these are things that we're finding right now. And you can see it was definitely by a tree. This stuff doesn't just come out from a empty field. This was by a tree. So what we did is we found out that the curtains, some of the little fittings are broken off. not a problem. We can glue them back on. This is a twin bed. This is a twin bed. And something is definitely wrong with the electric box. We're gonna have to go through that quite a bit. This needs to be painted brown. There's the heater and the refrigerator. I'm not even sure what's in here. If I even know how to open it. There's nothing. There's also water. Underneath this sink there was a electrical cord and a water hose. We got the table, and what we found underneath this side was 2 military shovels, and these shovels are from World War II. It says US Army on these. Anybody that was in the military knows what those are. And then we also have some kind of seat here, you know, like for a single guy. You sit down and do your fishing. And that's so far what we found inside, but the outside, it's not too bad looking. This came up nicely. So here's the Fleetwood, the window. Things need to be washed and cleaned for sure. And we're gonna do that tomorrow. We're just looking at it today, letting it air out. It needs some air, but I don't see any rips. I don't see any rips, Terry, at all.
Really?
Nothing on this. And here it says 2,000 kilograms, pounds. I believe the trailer weighs about 1,100. And here's some electric hookups here. We got to check out the electric tomorrow to make sure everything looks good. But yeah, this is all pretty good shape. I have to lubricate the back too. The crank area needs to be lubricated. I'll take care of that. Repaint the bumper. We got a lot of painting to do. This looks pretty nice, real strong. Looks pretty decent. We didn't put this on yet. But yeah, the windows look good. Oh, there is a tear in this screen, Terry.
Oh. Okay.
It's from closing.
Well, we have to fix that.
Yeah, we got to make sure we close this correctly.
We have to fix that tear.
No doubt. We're going to do a lot more cleaning tomorrow, and then we're going to take that tape off. We're going to do a lot more. I can't really figure out what's going on with the electric yet.
No, that's
And the
okay.
jacks, I got to figure out how to bring these jacks down. So a little update on this camper that we got at the auction. You know, it's not too bad. It's I think it was worth it. We paid a good price for it, which was $900, and then you add all the tax and fees in it, and it was $1,200. Anyways, we had aired out all these cushions so they all have sun. Instead of unzipping them and washing them, we decided just to leave them in the sun for all day long. That includes the mattress. We washed that, washed the floor. There was some stuff under these. That works. I actually got that to work. So the electric works, the heater works. As far as I know, I don't know if there's any propane leaks though. And the refrigerator's cool. We washed that too. And I have to test this also. So we painted the door. This one's okay. I am working on this, and we decided just to cover it with a couple of pieces of carpet tile. So I'll be working on that today. And you look down here, it's got a little carpet in there. We did find a level's right there. So they had a level in this also. So I have to paint this, I have to glue this on. And then I got this to stay in there, and it kept falling out, but I was able to make a deeper cut. Now we had to buy another one of these door handles because it's broken and it doesn't close all the way. It only stays open like it's a crack. We also had to buy another faucet. The old faucet doesn't work, so we got another faucet coming in. We put one of the spares on. There was 3 of them, so we put this one on. I think the guy, this trailer was back east. I noticed all the rust, so I know it was from back east. So I think he changed the wheels because they were rusted, and this was the better looking one. This is our drain right here, and we hooked up the hose, so it's all ready to go camping. You can see it just drains out. You just got to put it out there, and you can see the new tires look pretty damn good. So this is the refrigerator, and I have to make sure it works today. The heater does come on. I don't know if it should work. The lights, I don't know where this wire is. I don't know what the guy was doing, but this wire is gone. I'll have to look for it. You notice how bright it is in here is because we took all the drapes down, all the curtains. We took them all down. We're washing them. You know, they probably needed a wash. It didn't look dirty. Smelled a little dirty, but that's about it. And this never came with a latch, so we just rubber banded it together. Not a big deal. And you can see in here is our water. It's all connected down here. We just need to connect it up here. And we got 2 hoses. One for the outside water and one, this clear pipe, for the pump. So we're gonna do the pump and the other water. I'll be washing the outside today, and hopefully I can get off some of this grime on the window and some of the stains off the outside. So that should be that should look a lot better. So I think we are completed with our trailer restoration. We're gonna keep this one, and we're gonna sell another trailer we had. So what we did is we had to put a little piece of tape on this light, but we painted the back bumper. We will buy a tire cover because you don't want your tires to start cracking with the sun. So we will buy that. Okay. We cleaned out the area where the fridge goes, and it's a 3-way. You got gas, you got the 12 volt and the 120. Unfortunately, I don't think it works. Something's wrong with it. We bought a cap for the water inlet water. We covered this up. Now in the front, I had sanded a lot of the rust off, and I painted it black. So this whole area is done. And then I put on a brand new connector, and hopefully it works good. So it's looking real good. The propane tank was full when we got this trailer. Now over here, we put the light on, but the light did not come with the switch, so I had to add a switch to it. So the light will come on and off. On the inside, we did put the faucet in. It's a pump, and it's also a regular faucet where if you had one connected, you just would lift it up and the water would come on. But in this case, we use it as a pump. We also had to replace this because it was leaky. You can see we did the whole thing over again. It's metal. The original one was plastic. Down here, we had to buy another water container because the other one cracked. And then we put a siphon on it, so when we pump this, it brings up the water much quicker. Now all these have been washed. We washed every one of these. All the curtains have been washed. And we also had to, Terry had to sew a lot of these back on because the fittings were just falling off. They basically used plastic thread and it was decaying. We put regular thread on it, and she did a great job of putting the curtains together. But they're all washed. Everything smells really good in here. The door handle we had to replace because this plastic piece was broken. So this is replaced with the original. You can see a little bit of silicone there. We actually had to silicone the top because the plastic was corroded. The whole thing was corroded, so we did the whole stripe all the way down the other side. So that should keep all the water out. So overall, this trailer was not so hard to fix up and get it ready to go camping. And we didn't wash the outside. A little bit, we washed a little bit, but we did wash the upper part. There was one cut in the aluminum. We sealed it. We sealed all the holes that were up there. There was really only one hole, possibly another one. So we paid $1,200 at the auction, and so far I'm very pleased with it, and we're going to keep this one. So this was a pretty easy project. I hope you guys can go on an auction, buy a nice trailer, and fix it up as easy as we did here It only took a week to get the parts in the mail, and we put it all together. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time. Thank you very much. You want to say anything?
I don't know what to say. You replaced that light. Oh no, you didn't. You had to fix it though.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. You want to just finish up with?
Yeah,
You shouldn't have moved from that.
yeah.
Okay.
So y'all, no. What do I say?
Just
Like,
say.
thanks.
So this has been a great project,
Yeah, yeah.
and I'm glad to share it with everybody.
Yeah.